Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. So these are the US government bond yields. So as we know, if this is weak, if we are going down on this one, then we'll be anticipating more bullishness on the indices, right? On the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and the US 30. So let's just look at this one, because for me, it all looks bearish, super weak. So I'm seeing this as an inversion here. The value gap, let me draw that out. This is the inversion that I'm looking at. So here we just like went outside of it a bit, but this daily level held. So we just wicked outside of it and then smash. So all of this candlesticks inability for them to go even on the upper half is telling me that I'm on side here in terms of bearishness. So it's telling me that I should anticipate more downside, right? There's a nice suspension block here, but there's also sell side here. So I just see more sell selling here on this one. More downside after taking liquidity right there and above that high here. Let's see that. Yes. So all of this were cleansed. Let's see something. Yeah, so it's gonna go down this one. So I see more downside on this one. Let's check our friends. This is the same thing, but the 30-year yield. This is the 30-year yield. Inversion fair value gap here. Respected. Goes lower. Can't even put bodies close to the consequent encroachment of this. Just goes lower. Taking sell side here. I see more sell side resting here. Also below this low here. So, and then as soon as after we'll watch this fair value gap, because once we go below it, it's gonna be used to go down and attack these guys. So I'm just gonna mark that out on this one. This fair value gap here. I'm putting it right there. So because of once we go through it, we should see no bodies on its upper half. And it should continue going lower to give us these guys here. So all this looks weak. And then the one that's like decoupled from them is this one. The Y2. But what's key, what's nice about this is if you go on the weekly, this is the fair value gap that you are looking at here, right? On the weekly, you're gonna notice something that there's a small one in here. Let's mark it out. Let's make it out. So if these things fall, if the yields fall, then we know that the NAS will go higher, right? So we can't even get into that one. It's weak. We can't get into that one. Look, see on the daily. You see on the daily, we wicked outside, but we closed inside of this weekly. This is a weekly, it's 1 week. Well, it's a very fair value gap on the 1 week, right? So we wicked outside of it, but we closed inside of it. So the bodies are telling the story that this thing is still being respected. So we can anticipate. I'm just gonna put that there a bit. We can anticipate more selling here. I know you probably don't see it now because it's like going up like this, but this is like fall. When I see it fall, and then this one is already falling nicely. all we wanna see here is continuation to the downside, taking out these guys here and these guys. We wanna see that. That means bullishness on the NAS. Let's go there. And this one is another one which did its thing. But the bodies are still being kept below this level. That's good. So even on this one, I want to see downside play out here. Sell side, relative equal lows here. And this swing low there. Just want to see this thing drop. Whatever pattern you're seeing here is false. So if these are gonna go down like this, you're gonna see the NAS go up, S&P up, the Dow up, right? And that's social trades, and that's value at no cost. Boom.